There's a nice little side. He said he used iron sight.
Master procedure.
Oh, snap.
Damn.
He definitely from Call of Duty.
How far are you going?
Want to shoot first?
You can
No, go ahead first.
Yeah, you go first. See how you do.
Before the finish shot.
Print?
Huh?
First the bullet. I don't know about achievement, I think
It's gonna be on.
Yeah. I like that.
Get over the other side.
A few inches later.
Once you're ready, flip it to center. Once you're ready. You gotta look at. You gotta look at the.
He definitely from Call of Duty.
Who? Him? Hell yeah. You wanna go shoot?
Yeah.
That shit feels nice, bro. That shit feel nice, right? That shit feel nice?
Yeah. Let me see the hole.
Huh?
Oh, I'm shooting for the neck. I tried to get headshots, so I was just working him in the neck.
You gotta shoot here. Damn, I think I missed too.
Yeah, you missed.
But I got. You want to go through here, but
I was shooting in the neck. That was all me, right?
that's That's all tight. That's how you want to shoot.
We got 40 minutes.
You need shit, man.
Hey, you're gonna waste this whole clip.
Whole clip?
The whole clip.
Alright.
Don't go.
What's it called? Rapid fire?
No. Rapid fire.
No rapid
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Or you need it a little more up. All right.
So do I press the thing again?
Yeah, press it again.
Bro, I'm fucking garbage. Let me keep it.
You can.
He shot one in the head.
I shot one in the head, I shot one fucking.
Body shots.
Yeah,
How
same.
you feeling? How you feeling?
Yeah, she feels
My
nice,
boy
right?
got aimbot. Look at that. He only missed one.
My boy. So I got aimbot fucking me. Not really actually like read every time when I go. You missed that.
Let me get them shots, bro.
That bitch is moving.
Yeah, it's a lot of power. Huh? That's an MP.
To that extra body. I was trying to take the head off. What are you talking about? Yo, that shit's moving too much. Yeah, that's one of the things. That's one of the things I was trying to aim. Look at
They're
that
all
shit.
down.
Yeah, ain't going to white line.
My balls are sweating, my guy.
I got all this ammo left.